Hey, ladies and gentlemen, man, I just started looking at this.
Its last case on CBS in 2020. What's criminal minds? Correct.
Yeah, I'm watching Jeopardy right now.
Matt, how much would you like to wager? 4,200, please. Making it a true daily double.
Listen to this man. Well, well, look carefully. Let me see if they're gonna show his face.
What's kiwi? That's right.
Okay, let's see. Show your.
Business 8. In 1911, this oil company got its
This.
and had to divest itself of 33 companies.
Well, I gotta keep it real. This guy's doing a good job to me.
Standard Oil. 48. Got my king cake, mass, bees,
New Orleans.
to party and celebrate this, which will fall on Tuesday, March 1st, 2022. Kathleen.
What is Mardi Gras?
Mardi Gras.
Party in the
This numerical party
Mardi Gras.
officially begins with
Yeah.
objective.
I'm watching Jeopardy right now, ladies and gentlemen. I have to come on Facebook Live and do this.
Take us to our first commercial break.
Look.
Our contestants.
Go LeVar Burton. You.
Mornings with Meg Gatto.
Every member of our team has a heart.
Oh yeah, that was Meg Gatto right there. But let me tell y'all something. LeVar Burton is doing a great job. You understand? I mean, I could have waited until the show is over. You know, I gotta tell you, LeVar Burton, I enjoy him. You know, he's the best. You know, on Reading Rainbow, I had no idea he was on Roots. You know, and all of that, I had no idea that was him that was playing on Star Trek: The Next Generation. You know, LeVar Burton. I mean, I read about it that he wanted to host Jeopardy. You know. Yes, indeed. I'm very excited. Dominoes 7 is very excited to watch him host Jeopardy. You know, so anyway, we did on the first commercial break. We gonna listen to him when he come off a commercial break, okay? And he gonna speak to the contestants. You know, so LeVar Burton, he is awesome. You know, I mean, I would be very upset if he don't get the job. I might stop watching Jeopardy if he don't get the job. If it don't go to either LeVar Burton or Ken Jennings. But honestly, I like Ken Jennings. Honestly, I like Ken Jennings, but I rather LeVar Burton. You know, yes indeed, LeVar Burton. He got his wish, and I also got my wish because I promised. Well, I promise off camera, behind closed doors, if he ever start hosting Jeopardy, I will watch it. Oh yes, indeed, I will. Okay, so Domino 7 is here watching Jeopardy. I haven't watched Jeopardy in months since Ken Jennings was hosting, but I did watch 2 episodes with Robin Roberts. Well, what. You know, it's just like LeVar Burton is on my show, you know. But Alex Trebek, I'm so sad that we lost Alex Trebek. You know, I'm really sad. You know, I sure miss him. Listen.
You're originally from Detroit, Michigan. You're a retired legal assistant. Kathleen, we have good news for you. When I ruled Matt wrong on the Noriega clue, instead of saying he just ran out of time, it might have misled you into giving an alternate response. So, we're going to give you that $600 back and continue with our game.
Thank you.
So, you have rappelled down a building twice?
That's right. I did it.
LeVar Burton, if you watching me at home and whatever, I'm supporting you, man. I'm really supporting you, LeVar Burton.
Florida. I went down a 2-story building with ROTC, so I really enjoyed it both times. I don't think I'd ever do it again.
God is good all the
I
time.
suggest you stay away from tall buildings and roads. Patrick Pierce from Fountain Valley, California. You are a product specialist, and you played bar trivia just across the street from the studio here. And on a team, the cheese stands alone. Who came up with that title?
Our best guess.
Listen to his voice.
After former
Not him. I'm talking about LeVar Burton.
And current Packers quarterback, Aaron Rodgers.
Very nice. And our champion, Matt Amodio from New Haven, Connecticut. You're a PhD student, and your family grew up watching baseball and Jeopardy, and that was the only thing that took precedent over the ball games.
Absolutely. So 7 o'clock growing up, must-see TV was the baseball game. And
I don't know who this guy is, but I like him too.
7:30 to watch Jeopardy, and I've loved it every night.
You demonstrate impeccably good taste. Right, players. Patrick, you gave the last correct response. Here we go.
Business for 600, please.
On January 13th, 2020,
Listen to this man.
The stock price of this company opened around $20. On January 29th, $380, and by February 5th, $54. Patrick,
Where's GameStop?
yes.
TV workplaces for 6, please.
Vought
Yes, indeed, y'all. I want to let y'all know something. LeVar Burton is awesome. I like this guy, y'all. I really do. This guy is awesome, you know. Yeah. But anyway, sound like he doing this thing his way on the show. Like Bob Barker told Drew Carey, don't be like him. Do the show your way. You know. I would hope Alex Trebek would approve of LeVar Burton being a permanent host. I wish he could come from the great beyond and tell the producers to let him do it. Do you people agree with me? I hope so, y'all. I really do. Okay. All right. So that's all I gotta say. God bless y'all. Okay. And LeVar Burton, if you watching this, God bless you. You understand? Okay. Cause I enjoyed you on Reading Rainbow. Take a look. It's in a book. Reading Rainbow. Reading Rainbow. Reading Rainbow. Reading Rainbow. God bless you, man. I'm happy for you doing this. You understand? I'm very happy for you. I'm happy for the producers. I'm happy for the fans. Okay? God bless y'all, okay? I'll be praying for you, LeVar Burton. Okay? All right.